No, 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 no. Let us go to the moon.
Look up, the moon still shines for everyone. The sky has always belonged to all of us. Tonight, this song belongs to you. Dreamers, builders, teachers, families, every journey begins with hope. One dream can cross oceans, one heart can change tomorrow. Take one step, share one light, lift one soul. Together, anything is possible. One sky, one moon, one dream. Walk with us, dream with us, grow with us. You already belong. You already belong. One family, one tomorrow. A child looks upward, a parent smiles, friends laugh beneath the stars. Someone dreams, someone builds, someone sings. Tomorrow begins today, different lives, one shared sky. Hey, 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 hey. The journey we all share, not for one nation, for everyone. The sky has always belonged to all of us. One sky, one moon, one dream. Walk with us, dream with us, grow with us, builders, artists, teachers, dreamers. Every heart has a place. You already belong. You already belong. We'll build tomorrow together. Somewhere tonight, someone looks up. A child, a parent, a friend, a dreamer. They all see the very same moon. They're already walking the same journey. One sky, one moon, one dream. You already belong. We'll build tomorrow together. Every village has a song. Every family has a story. Hey! Every creator deserves to be heard. Share your gift with the world. Come back to the world. Tintin.live. Come back to the world. Tintin.live. If this song found a place in your heart, then your journey has already begun. Because you already belong. Join people from every corner of the world who believe the future is something we build together. Visit